Welcome. In this video, you're gonna learn how to send multi-API request for a certain number. This can be used it for irritating someone, but it will nothing more than wasting your time. So forget about irritation. Just let's check what are the requirements. The requirements to learn this topic is you must know basics of Linux command. Okay, like cd mb and all these things. Okay, I have already made video over that. You may watch that or you can read anything on the Google, no problems. Now the second one is you must know loop concept in bash. Also I have made video on this, but not in the bash series. I have made it separately. You can watch that. Okay, no problems. Now you must have knowledge about curl. If you don't have, no problem, just you must have understanding of how curl works. What is curl actually? It is to send a web request. Okay, now understanding of API. What is API? What do you understand by API? If you don't know, then do Google. I'm not going to explain this here. Okay, since it's requirement. Before completing this requirement you can't learn this. Okay, now the fifth one is the most important, that is non-harming intention. You must not have any harming intention. Okay, by using this, no need to harm someone. This is for educational purpose, so that you can use this, or you can use this logic for another methods in your program, whatever you were going to make in future. Okay, so let's learn. Let me clear the screen. You can see here I have a file that is API. Its name is API. Let's see what's there. Nano API. You can see here I have used it curl command. This is the basic bash. I'm not gonna explain that since bash is already in the requirements. Okay, here it's use it curl command. Okay, um, I'm just giving a post request. Okay, let me do. Sorry. Okay, now you can see a single command. This all is a single line. Okay, this is known as, this all you are seeing is this is cookies. Okay, which the web browser sends. Now you can see here number. You can see here number, and here you can see a value is there, that is a symbol, and where it went on it, that is a symbol. Where it went actually, it's two. Let me check. Let's see another one. You can see here a symbol and bhutu. Okay, this is the variable name which you have to change. Means replace, not change, which you have to replace. This is variable name which you have to replace. And why, what you have to replace? You have to give here the number to which you are sending the request. So simultaneously you have to change all these words from all the lines. Okay, you can see there are many lines here. Okay, in all lines the same variable I have used it, this one. Okay, you have to change the value. Means instead of this you have to write the number. So how we gonna do this? We're gonna do this by script. So let's make that script. Okay, uh, vi, I will use vi. Okay, mm, request, request not sh, since I'm using bash. Now I will make a variable, that is cwd. You can keep anything to get the path where I am now. using pw command. If you know the basics, then you must understand this dollar and the small bracket is used to run a command and store that result in that variable. Okay, that is cwd. Now what I have to do is, okay, let me open another session. Now what I'm going to do is, I will make a directory, that is asset directory. So let's mkdir assets, just give a random name. Now I will move, now no need of requirements, but I will keep it here, no problems. I will move this api in assets, mb api assets. Okay, yeah. Now I will do if f cwd then api. If api file is here only, means in the current directory, then what you have to do is, then rm minus rf api. Okay, div null 2 is greater than and then 5. Okay, now if it is here, like if it's seen here, then it will delete, the script will delete the api file. Since I have kept in assets, I want that in asset only. Now what I will do is cp r and then oh shit, here cpr cwd, then assets. Inside the assets file there is api we have kept. Okay, we will move it where, at the cwd, means where the script is. Now I don't want any output here, so I will move it to div null. I'm moving the output of that, means any text reply or anything printed on screen will get into dev null. Null. Okay, after this what I will do is, I will start a loop here, while read. Okay, while read r any variable name, let's say sum a, and let's say my name Suman. Okay, right here only, do echo Suman, and inside that, if this keyword found, which that I have shown in the script, that curl script. Okay, then it will be replaced by the phone number. Okay, number, whatever the number you will give. Now it will be output to, no, I'm not gonna do any output here, just do here done, and then give here the file name, that is file path plus name, that is api, and then I will give this output to another file. I will create simultaneously, I will create another file. Let's give the name same with some anything extension, abc, no problem. Okay, now there is two file in the current directory, that is API and API ABC. Now this API file has that bhutu variable, okay, but this has the number that you have given. Okay, now what I will do is I will move this API dot abc, means actually I'm shortening, actually I'm moving it to the same API. Okay, yeah. Now what you can do is you can run while true do bash cwd API. Okay, and here done. Now now you will say from where I will get the number. So what you can do is in the start, like here only you can make a read line, like here only you can add a line to read. Let's say printf enter your your number. Okay, then read number. Then now I have the API which have the country code plus 91, so it will work for the India only. Now what you can do for working for all is you can change the plus 91. Now how can you change that? uh, you can do this, you can do similarly like here it's done. If you're not able to do that, if you're not able to change that, then you can tell me, I will make another video for that, I will make a short video over that. Okay, now what it will do is it will run this file, and this file have the call request with the number. So the OTPs and whatever request is going through that. Okay, now it's done. You can create your own theme, like if you want to add any banner or any timer which calculates timing, means from here to here, it's means from how much second it's running, you can show that by creating something like that. Okay, now after this it will run this in loop, means it's infinite loop. It will continuously run that file, and that file contains API, so it will keep on requesting again and again all the URLs. Okay, now if user press control plus C, then it will be stopped. Now after stoppage we want something to do, we want something here. So what we want is signal. Okay, and this I'm going to create to capture the second signal. So what after this what we have to run is rm minus rf cwd API. Okay, be okay. Now whenever the user press Ctrl plus C, then this code will be ran. Okay, and that API file from the current directory, it will be deleted, not from the assets. And the assets, it's still there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trap signal. 1 minute, s I have kept capital signal second. Okay, after that give a space and then give the name of the signal, that is SIGINT. Okay, so let's run and debug mode. Okay, what is debug mode? We can see the output, what happening actually. Set x bash request request dot sh. Okay, now here want to give the number, any number I'm giving just randomly so nobody would get irritated. Now you can see it's running this. Okay, Control C. 1 minute. Also I have to exit here. So one thing I forgot, also I have to exit here. So what I have to do is and exit safely. 0 means safely. Okay, any random number more than possible digits. Okay, you can see if I do Control C, then it stop it. Okay, here it's saying learn API requesting API, no such file or directory found. Okay, no problem. Here you can see it's changed it actually. You can see here. Let me show you. Actually I can't find that since I have given the random number. Let me run again and give here the name SUMBHUTUU. Okay, I have given this variable. Now let's find that variable. You can see I can find that variable here. Also you have to change this plus 91. Okay, similarly you can change that. I have shown how to change this one. Similarly you can change that also. Okay, you can see API is still here, means when we press it Control plus C, it's not deleted. No such file. Okay, no problem. Vi request. Actually I have done mistake here. I don't have given here the forward slash. Okay, so let's again run that. Give the number or whatever. Okay, I'm not going to give any number since it will harm someone. Okay, now let's let's run in normal mode, not in this X mode, that is, oh shit, bash. Run in normal mode, not in debug mode. It will ask number, then give the number, and when you press enter it started. Here you can create anything you want. You can show anything like it's showing seconds value like it's running from this much second that I have created in my TS console framework. If you don't know, let me show you. TS console call SMS. Okay, 1 minute. I have to select here one. Now it's loading here. Give here, want to give the number. When you give the number, it will run. It actually too long, screen is too long, that's why it's happened. Okay, let's clear the screen. Since screen size was too long, that's why it happened. You can give the number, you can see it will show here the number and it will count the time. Similarly, you can create your own. Okay, that's much for today.